still needs to get stronger. So for Memphis, I think this is another indication, just like with the Pelicans trade, that they are probably taking a slight step back and focusing on development rather than trying to be like the Kings and just pushing for a playoff spot. I think for Memphis, this is at least an indication of that, because Williams isn't necessarily ready to contribute yet. It could work out great down the line, but I don't love the pick right now when I think they could have gotten him at 17.
Who do we think they should have taken here? I think I actually made the case for him either the last two podcasts ago about how he had this bad season during this COVID season, and he was a guy who was like the fifth best prospect heading into college. And then everybody was kind of off him. Now it's back on. I thought like 17, 19 range seemed a little low for him, but 10 seems too high. Who should they have taken, Russillo?
Well, Bouknight's still there, and I know that it doesn't seem to make any sense because you already have Dylan Brooks. And by the way, we're like starting to get to the point with some of these teams where there's going to be a pick where there's already somebody playing, if not multiple guys. But I think Bouknight's shot creation, handle, drive, fight, all that stuff. I know he didn't shoot it as well. He shot it better last year. You'd love to see it go into Bouknight more. We'll get to it because I have to imagine he's going to go here soon. But Zaire just didn't do it for him, man. If he didn't, there are people that swear by him in high school. There were points the fact he went through a lot in Stanford this year, but just on the floor, he's not awesome. It's just that the start would look good. Like whatever his decision was, you're like, oh, here we go, and then it always ended bad. It was the weirdest thing. And then he fell in love with step backs, and then started to feel a little AAU-ish. And some of these kids that score like crazy at the AAU level, I use Perry Jones as the example. Remember him? He was like the number one guy, went to Baylor, ended up in Bend in the first round, Oklahoma City, out of the league immediately. Some of these guys are so big that they don't actually develop other stuff to their game. And I think Zaire has the foundation of something possibly being there. I'm just saying if you focus on the Stanford part of it, it wasn't. They must have gone through all the high school stuff and talked to everybody and felt like, hey, what we saw at Stanford is who this kid is. And that's fine, but it wasn't great there.
I like KOC's point about Memphis maybe resetting a little bit because you're in the West. You're not winning the title there anyway, so why not, try to get a full year of Jared Jackson, play some of the young guys they picked, all that stuff. I don't love the pick. What's interesting is Bouknight, who now has fallen 2